Do you remember my name? If you remember my name, tell your mom or your dad. Yeah. Did you say you are Miss Samrawit? Yes, this is Miss Samrawit, okay? I'm your lower KG teacher, if you remember. Okay, today we are going to have our lesson. Are you ready for that? Okay, to be ready, you have to bring your book with you first, okay? If you don't prepare it with you, please tell your mom and your dad to bring your book for you. And I want you to open your book on page 28. Okay, the lesson on page 28, we have already learned it. So let's revise that one, and after that, we will continue to the next lesson, okay? Let me give you some time to get ready. Okay, let's revise this lesson first. This is a sound words. These are a sound words. What is the sound? A. A sound words. Okay. Together we are going to read these 4 words that have a sound, okay? Mat. What is this word? Mat. The next word is rat. What is the second word? Rat. I hope you have said it properly. The third word is cat. What is the third word? Cat. Yes. And the last word is hat. Hat. And these are a sound words. And they rhyme with the same ending sound, that is t. Mat, rat, cat, mat. Read it together with me, okay? Mat, rat, cat, hat. Good. Now I want you to open your book on the next page. Page 29. And there are words here by the left side of your book, by the right side of your book, and by the left side of your book there are pictures. I want you to read these words and match it with the correct picture, like this. For example, the first one says mat. So which one do you think is a picture of mat? Yes, this one. So you match this word with the picture. Just like that, I want you to do this exercise, okay? Good. Now let's go to the next words. This one is at, 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 at. Now we are going to sing n sound words, okay? Say after me. An. Okay, look at the first picture. What do you think is the first picture? I hope you have said man. Man. What is this? Man. How about the next picture? You can see the picture from your book, okay? What is this picture? Yes, fun. Fun. What is this picture? Fun. Good. The third word is van. Yes. It is van. Van is a kind of a car. And the last word is yes, pan. I hope you have said pan. Pan. So repeat after me. Man. Fun. Van. Pan. Good. So down after the picture, there are tracing places for your book on your book. So I want you to trace these words on your book. It is on page 30, okay? After you trace the words, you trace the first letter of the word and you write the second sound, which is an, fun, van, pan, just like that, okay? Good. Now, let's go to our third topic, okay? Before that, just like the previous one, you have to read these words and you have to match them with the correct picture, okay? Just like this. For example, you read the first word, man. You'll find the picture of man from the left side of the book and you match it with the picture of man. Good. Okay. Next, we will continue to page 32. This is at. This is an. Now we're going to see up sound words, okay? Up sound words. Say up. Yes. Now there are pictures on your book and let's see what those pictures are. What is this picture? Map. What is this? Map. Map. What is the second picture? You can see the picture from your book. What is this picture? Tap. Yes, it is tap. What is the third picture? It is something that you put on your head. That's cap. Yes. And the last picture is? On the last picture, what is the girl doing? Yes, she's taking a nap. And the word is nap. Okay, repeat after me, okay? Map. Map. Tap. Tap. Cake. Cake. And the last one is nap. Just like we have done on the previous topics, we have to trace this letter, these words, and we have to write the words on page 32 and the same exercise we are going to do on the next page, okay? You are going to write the first letter for the pictures. For example, let me tell you for the first one. What is this picture? Ma. So what is the beginning letter for ma? Me. So you write me here and you trace a p. Then you read the word map. One more example. What is this picture? Mat. So what is the first letter for mat? Me. You write me here and you trace at. That is mat. You will do this exercise just like the example, okay? Good. This is for English. Goodbye.